Hi, this is Sarah and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we have a viewer request for a DIY showing how to make 18-inch doll tableware. See how to transform paper into beautiful custom-designed plates, saucers, and bowls, and recycle plastic bottle caps and lids into cute teacups. We have lots of older videos with even more methods to make doll dishes and cups. Click the card's top right or check out the link in the description box to watch them. But for today's video, we are keeping it simple. So let's get making. Here we have a Fiskars brand circle stencil. We also grabbed American Girl dishes from our collection to help gauge the size for our dishes. AG's Teatime saucer fits the 2-inch opening. The small green saucer is about 1.5 inches in diameter. The dinner plate is 2.5 inches and the bowl is 1.5 inches at its widest point. If you don't have a stencil, you can also use bottle caps, jar lids and containers to get a similar result. On thick white poster board, trace then cut out the selected circles. We are starting with a wide rim saucer and dinner plate. You need 3 paper discs per dish. Stack and glue them together. We left a wide perimeter on the bottom circle to help us out later. Now find an opening on your stencil that is slightly bigger than a $1 coin. For us, that is 1 inch. Trace this to the center of your saucer circle. Next, mist the stack front and back to soften the paper fibers. Align the inner circle over your coin. Then take the stencil and place the 1-inch opening over top, pressing it down firmly on the wet paper to manually impress the coin shape. This method gives you a deep center recess, perfect for saucers. Leave the paper time to dry, then cut off the excess around the rim. For your dinner plate, find a circle on the stencil that is slightly smaller in diameter. Trace it onto your paper. As before, mist it front and back with water, then position it over the smaller stencil opening. This time, use a bone folder or even your thumb to push the paper into the ring using the pencil line as your guide. The deeper you press, the more dimension your plate will have. Remove from the stencil and allow the paper time to dry. For a cute teacup, we kept the cap from a Powerade drink. To make the handle, we used crafting wire, but you could substitute this with a paper clip. Cut a short length, then bend it upward 1 centimeter from one end. Move your pliers back 5 millimeters to bend it in the opposite direction. Reposition the pliers a centimeter down the stem to make a 90-degree bend. Use your fingers to curve the wire inward. Now find where the stem aligns with the top corner and bend it again to create parallel ends. Clip off any excess wire. Use a push pin to make holes in the cap that correspond with the legs of the handle. Insert the wire and trim the legs a little shorter if needed. Then pinch the legs flat against the inside of the cup. This way, you don't need any extra adhesive to secure the handle in place. We chose to paint our teacup white on the inside and light pink on the outside using spray paint. And use the same colour spray paint for the saucer. Next, we masked off the centre for a 2-tone design choice. We repeated this extra step for our dinner plate. Our dishes are pretty as is, but you can up the customization with Posca paint pens or permanent markers. First, we edged all the plates with gold, then took a white pen to draw a scalloped pattern around the rim. Add a few dots before filling in the arcs with more gold paint. To keep the dish set uniformed, we repeated this pattern on the saucer. Our second dish set is light blue, with white polka dots and a gold geometric scrapbook paper in the middle. Our third set is pastel green, with accents of floral scrapbook paper for a whimsical touch. To complete the set, we can make bowls from thin strips of poster board. Wrap the end tightly around a toothpick and begin to roll. When you get to the end of the strip, glue on the next and keep rolling. We used 10 strips at 40 centimeters long each to make a disc matching the diameter of AG's blue bowl. For a mold, we took the cap from a deodorant bottle. Alternatively, you can just paint the cap if you only want one bowl. Hold your paper disc over the cap and gently push down to fan out the paper layers, making the bowl shape. Carefully remove from the mold and generously coat the outside and inside with liquid glue. Once the bowl is dry, paint and decorate to match with your other dishes. Excellent! Our DIY set has a plate, a wide-rimmed saucer, teacup with short-rimmed saucer, and a bowl. From just half a sheet of poster board, we were able to make multiple dishes, giving us a pink, blue, and green dish set. Because we used complementary pastel colours and a whimsical design, the dishes are interchangeable for even more play value. Oh, and they stack neatly together when packed up or for display. Have fun today making your dolls their own custom tableware. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!